You try and try and try, but your marks in maths are not getting any better? I am Astrid, the Maths Mentor, and I'm here to help you pass your next maths exam. You really want to get better at maths. You feel like you've been trying really hard, but the results just does not reflect the amount of efforts you put in. You are on the verge of giving up, you're frustrated. But what do we say to defeat? Not today. Don't give up. You can get better at maths. I believe in you. No one is born great at maths. You and I both need to put in the work to get better at the subject. And don't be afraid of maths. It's like being afraid of a pen. It's just a tool. Learn how to use it. Maths is not out to get you. It's not hating on you. Nor does it have any feelings, in fact. I will quote one of my favorite quotes to help me stay motivated whenever I feel like giving up. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Good. Now you are ready to take action. The most common trait I find with my students who are struggling with maths is that they don't understand the teacher they have at school. So the first advice I give them when this happens is to find a new teacher, or if they can afford it, get a maths mentor. I tell them to change class. It doesn't matter if the classes are ability graded. What matters is the teacher. For example, if you're in the top class, but you're struggling to keep up because you don't understand your teacher's explanation, then go to a different class with a teacher that you click with and easily understand. If you cannot find a good teacher at your school, then get a maths mentor like me. Not just a maths tutor, because you probably already have had maths tutors in the past and didn't work out, or you may be lucky enough to find a really good maths tutor. But a maths mentor will take you through step by step, holding your hand and making sure you do not fail. So get yourself a teacher or a maths mentor. Then I want you to ask lots of questions. Question your teacher and mentor on things you don't understand, even if you get the answers right. A hint that would let you know whether you are understanding the concepts or not is if you're using the same formula or working on the same types of questions, but you get some right and others wrong. Like if you can relate. If this happens to you, it means you're not fully understanding the concept behind the formula or working and how to use it properly. Bring this up to your teacher or maths mentor. You need not be alone on this journey. It's okay to ask for help. This brings me to the next action that you can take, which is to do lots of maths questions. Once you understand the concepts behind the formula, solidify it by practicing those questions. Now, I don't mean for you to do a 6-hour marathon in a night and then give up thinking that it's too hard or too much. I would rather you do half an hour to an hour's worth of maths questions a day, every day. In my 10-week program, I help my students every day with questions. I don't give them much, only half an hour to an hour's worth of questions. But the real trick is to be able to do a little every day. But remember, doing questions without understanding is useless. If you're getting by in maths with memorizing the steps instead of understanding why those steps exist, you're not going to get better at maths. You're just going to end up more frustrated than before, because when you're in the exam, you're going to forget. My last but most important tip for you is to take action today. Whether it be talking to someone about changing class, asking your teacher or maths mentor for clarification on questions you don't understand, doing half an hour to an hour's worth of questions, or picking up your phone and calling me for help. Now that you know what to do, it's time for you to go and do them. Let me know in the comments below which action you're going to take today. The next video in the playlist will be on how to increase your marks by 10% in maths exams. Subscribe so you don't miss it.